Hey friends, welcome back to math. Today we are on lesson 8 of module 6, so let's get started. Share here, there we go. Let me move myself out of the way so I can see. Alrighty, today, lesson 8, I can count to 120 in unit form using only tens and ones. I can represent numbers to 120 as tens and ones on the place value chart. So yesterday we talked about how to write numbers and we could count on up to 120. Today we're going to write numbers up to 100 using only tens and ones. Okay, sounds a little complicated, but it's not as complicated as you thought or you think. So let's get our brain warmed up. Oh, let me get my detective hat here. All right. Let's be good detectives. Read through our problem first. You know what? I don't have an eraser. Hold on. All righty. Now we're ready to read through the problem first. Okay, here we go. Lee found 15 sparkly rocks. It's my kind of rocks. I like sparkly. Kim found 8 sparkly rocks. How many more sparkly rocks did Lee find than Kim? Okay, so let's do this line by line and draw what we know. We know that Lee found 15 sparkly rocks. So let's make 15. All right, there's my 15. Now, I drew it out in here so I knew how many it was, but I'm going to let 15 at the top. And Kim, we know, found 8 sparkly rocks. So let's do 8 for Kim. Ready? Let's make our box here. Now, the question says, how many more sparkly rocks did Lee find than Kim? Well, let's do this. Here's my 8. How many more did she find? Let's see, 5, 6, 7. I think she found 7 more. What is a math sentence, like a number sentence, we can use to solve this? Well, I could say 15 minus 8 equals, now here's my 15. If I took those 8 away, here's what I have left, and I have 7. I have to write my statement out because we always want to make a statement with it, right? How many more sparkly rocks did Lee find than Kim? Lee found 7 more rocks. Now, did we solve this case? Let's look. Did we draw what we knew? We did. Make a number sentence? We did. We subtracted 15 from 8 and got 7. Then we wrote a statement to match our problem. Lee found 7 more rocks. That answered our question. How many more sparkly rocks did Lee find than Kim? Lee found 7 more rocks. So that means our case is solved. We are ready to take off our detective hats because we've solved the mystery. And you can erase your board. And let's get our brain a little more warmed up by doing a fluency. So guys, there's a ton of fluencies on here. I don't know which one you're gonna get. It's kind of like a little grab bag mystery. It's a surprise. Set your timer for 3 minutes. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Complete as many as you can correctly in those 3 minutes. If you only get 5 done correctly, then you only get 5 done, okay? This is practice. We want you to work on getting them done correctly. Now, sometimes you might have to find the whole, sometimes you might have to find the part. So be careful, okay? So pause here, work on that. Don't turn it in until you finish the problem set and the exit ticket, okay? So turn it in at the very, very end of the thing. So just get it done and then back out of it, okay? All right, and we'll pause, stop our video. Okay, friends, if you still need more time, just pause the video. I've got our video ready to go. We are working with Miss Curry today, and she's got a little friend today. I'm so excited for y'all to meet this little friend. So cute. Okay, let's go.
Hi friends, it's Mrs. Curry, and I am so excited to see you today. I have a special treat in our lesson today. Our learning goal is to count to 120 in unit form. For this lesson, you will need a place value chart. If you don't have one, that's okay. We can improvise and make our own. Push pause to gather your materials or to make your own.
If you need more time, you can push pause.
All right, we are going to start out today with a fluency practice. Can you all read my shirt?
It says dog mom.
Well, guess what? It's true. I am a dog mom. And this is Banjo.
How cute.
So today we're going to practice the say 10 way of counting. We're going to do it with a dog paddle. How many beads do you see on the Rec and Rec?
All right, I see 10, 20, 30, 40, so 46.
There are 46 beads. And how would we say that the say 10 way?
4, 10, 6.
4, 10, 6. Excellent. Keep counting and dog paddle with me.
4, 10, 7. 4, 10, 8. 4, 10, 9. 5, 10. 5, 10, 1. 5, 10, 2. 5, 10, 3. 5, 10, 4. 5, 10, 5. 5, 10, 6. 5, 10, 7. 5, 10, 8. 5, 10, 9. 6 tens. Oh.
How many beads do you see now? Say it the say 10 way.
7 tens.
7, 10. Keep counting.
8 tens.
9, 10.
10 tens.
Excellent job, everyone. That was a great warm-up. And you got to meet my friend Banjo. Say bye, Banjo.
Bye, Banjo. He's so cute.
All right, friends, let's continue our lesson. I'm so excited to be using the Rec and Rec. I don't know how well you can see me, but I'm here. Right now, my Rec and Rec is showing 0. When you hear me clap, tell me how many beads you see now.
Oh.
Tell me how many beads you see over here.
Let's see.
The say 10 way.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5
There
10.
are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So this is 5, 10. Keep counting the say 10 way.
6 10.
6, 10.
7
7,
10.
10.
8
8,
10.
10.
9
9,
10.
10.
10 10.
10, 10. Or how would
100.
we say this the regular way?
Be 100.
100. 10 tens is the same as 100. Let me take a quick picture of this. Slide it over here. How many beads do I have right here?
We have 10 tens or 100.
10 tens or 100. What if I add one more bead?
10.
Do I still have 10 tens?
No.
Yes.
10.
But I
10,
also have 1, 1. I'm going to change my place value chart to show 10 tens and 1, 1. Ten tens and 1, 1 is
101.
101. The name of this number is 101. Have you seen this number before?
Sure have.
Some kids recognize it from 101 Dalmatians, a great story about a whole bunch of little doggies. And many people say 101 Dalmatians, but really, we don't say the and. It's just 101. Just like 51. We don't say 50 and 1, 50 and 2, 50 and 3. We just say 51, 52, 53. Well, it's the same way with numbers past 100. Say 101, 102, 103. Get it? Got it? Good. We had 10 tens and then 10 tens 1. Next, we would have
10 tens 2.
10 tens 2. Let's change our place value chart to record the tens and ones. Ten tens 2 is the same as
102.
102. Let's see, 100, 101, 102. Next would be
103.
103. How many tens and ones are in 103? Think about it
10
first.
tens, 3 ones.
Let's change our place value charts to record the tens and ones. Now let's count the say 10 way, starting at 10 tens 8. And
Okay.
you keep counting even when you don't hear me until I say stop. Ready? 10 tens 8. 10 tens 9. 10 tens 10. Hey, wait a second. How many tens is that all together?
Ooh.
11
tens.
tens. 11 tens 1.
11 tens.
11 tens 2. Let's look at 11 tens 2. Can you point to where you see the 11 tens in 112?
It's in my tens.
11 tens is right here. And here's the extra 2. If I pull apart my hide 0 cards, I see that 11 tens has a value of 110. And 2 more makes 112. And here's what's really cool. If I pull this apart further, I can see that 100 is 10 tens, and 1 more 10 makes 11 tens, and then 2 ones makes 112, or the say 10 way, 11 tens 2. Who's ready for a curry challenge?
Ooh, let's do it.
What would you get if you added 8 ones to 11 tens 2? Push pause to figure it out, and then write your answer in a place value chart.
Okay, so let's look at this 2 different ways. Okay, let's get our 11 tens up here. Here's my 11 tens. Here's my 2 ones. Now let's add 8 more, okay? Count with me as we go. Let me find this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I counted up 8 more and I got 12 tens. Now let's look at this a second way. We know that 8 is a ones because there's nothing in front of it. So I can add 8 over here in my ones place and say 8 plus 2, I know that's 10. Well, if I have 10 ones, I'm gonna bring that 1 over here, add it together. 11 more makes 12. Whoops. So now I have 12 tens, 0 ones. Let's fix it to make it look like that. Just like I had 12 tens and 0 ones over here. Just 2 different ways you can look at it. Okay, so let's write 12 tens over here and 0 ones over here. Let's check with Miss Curry, see if we're right.
Push pause now. Welcome back. Here's what I got for my place value chart. 12 tens, 0 ones. And how do we say 12 tens, 0 ones the regular way?
120.
It's 120. That's fantastic. Well, you did it.
Yay.
And Banjo wanted to come back and say, great job. Oh, Banjo. Oh, well, thank you.
Aw.
It's time for the problem set. Your must-do problems are 1 and 2. Do your very best thinking for 10 minutes, and if there's time left over, well, if there's time left over, you're done, because 1 and 2 is the entire problem set. So if there's time left over, rewind this video so you can see cute Mr. Banjo.
He's so cute.
It's been great spending time with you guys. Bye.
Bye. All right, let's pull up our problem set. All right, let's look at 1 and 2. Number 1 says, write the number as tens and ones in the place value chart, or use the place value chart to write the number. So let's look at 1A. Okay, 1A gives us the number 74 and then a blank place value chart. I'm going to put T for tens and O for ones. So which number is going to go in my tens? Which number is going to go in my ones? The 7's in my tens place and the 4 is in my ones place. Okay. Now, if you'll look at 1C, it doesn't give you the number, but it gives you the chart, the place value chart. It has 9 in my tens place and 1 in my ones place. So I'm going to take that number and write 91. Okay, you're going to do A, B, C, and D on number 1. Let's come down here, E, F, G, H, I, and J. Then you're going to come down to number 2. Let's look at number 2. It's a matching. Okay, it is a matching. So it says right here, match. You're going to take 9, 10, 7 ones, and you're going to match it to the correct number, sentence, or statement over here on your right. So 9, 10, 7 ones. Let's go down here. Well, these say 10, 10, 10, 10. Here's a 9, 10, and it says 7. Take my shapes, and I'm going to find my line, and I'm going to go from A all the way down to 9, 10, 7 ones. Okay, you're going to do all of these. You're going to match all of these the right way. When you finish, do your exit ticket. Once you finish your exit ticket and your problem set and your fluency, then turn it into me. Okay, don't forget you're doing 1 A through J and 2 A through G. Okay, any questions? You email me, message me, do whatever you need to do. Get in touch with me. I will help you out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, friends.